चले पर मेरे को आज तक समझ नहीं आया पद्म विभूषण कैसे है. व्हाट इज पद्म विभूषण? परमवीर चक्र है सबसे ज़्यादा एंड भारत रत्न. देर आर few people who have not died and have got Paramveer Chakra. Imagine how brave those people would be. Weather is really nice here. It was not out. एक ही boot है. There are 3 things here. One is museum, which is very important. Then whatever shop that is, and then washrooms. ये उसका शूज है?
कैसे
नहीं है.
Hello to the soldier, crack of dawn to the car. से चप्पल निकालना है. कैन यू होल्ड, मैं सैनिटाइज कर दूँगी.
You remove shoes? हाँ? टिकट से जाना. शूज निकालने पड़ेंगे. हाँ जी. अरे
This is General Timmaiya. This is with Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
how heavy is this car?
Huh?
How heavy is it? You can lift it.
Look at the uniform. So elite. We can touch.
It's little you can touch.
कितने 4 star.
Show this letter. Like this is the kind of painting I wanted. पापा की क्या खतरनाक पेंटिंग है. नहीं पता आपको? ऑफ कोर्स क्या, यूक्रेन के साथ हर कोई है. इनकी आंखें देखेंगे. वेरी नाइस पोर्ट्रेट. किसने बनाई है? सहोता. दिस इज लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन्स
Letters.
लेटर. लेट मी सी क्या लिखा है.
How do you say?
लिखा है ना ऊपर लॉन्ग. Can we take this gun? Muzzle loaded guns.
This is his house.
How do you know? See, this is the kind of actual kind of museum I want for the kings also. Men of the house. कहाँ गया? Men of the house. See, this is way better than Hari Palace Museum. इसका बेड कैसा है? इज इट स्टडी? देख, आई थिंक ये मैट्रेस भी उसी टाइम का है. चेक, इट्स नॉट डनलप. See what I saw. Mattress Dunlop नहीं है. It's very heavy. I mean, not that soft. Yeah. Maya Babu. All wooden. Imagine this is the general's house. This is paintings. I'm sure many things would have changed later. He had a fireplace. Seriously. He had a fireplace. Very nice way of keeping things. अलमारी खुलेगी क्या? बंद है. अच्छा, यहाँ सोफे वोफे रखता था. अच्छा, दिस वाज बाथरूम. Is it? Was this bathroom? Yeah. Okay, they have not kept the flush, but they have kept the photograph, I guess. No. Is this bathroom? I'm not sure. This looks like a flush. उस टाइम पे ऐसा होता था. कितना डिज़ाइन चेंज हो गया. और एक होना चाहिए ना, चार लोग मिले. I don't know. What do you think? What do you reckon? क्या लगता है? जगह looks like toilet to me. Maybe it is. Let's see, this is bathroom. This is bathroom. I was right. Pretty nice here. This is how a museum is supposed to be there. This is how a museum should be. They can't keep these things, but they have kept a 3D representation of that. And maybe this is exactly like that. Who knows? Amazing. Lavanya, I'll show you something. They have bathrooms. This is toilet. Yes, ma'am. See, this is toilet. This is commode.
Get used. Okay.
Yeah, this was the toilet. I think they had 4 type. He used to take conference here. And that is the bathroom.
close ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Close? Yeah.
Very just
And that is bathroom.
ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
Huh?
ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಫೋಟೋ?
ಹಾಂ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು
Bathtub. This was the bathroom. That was the toilet. Okay, yeah. Here it's written. Here it's written. Kolkata, the most affluent household had a primitive version of the modern. This looks much better. This is what?
Rosewood.
Rosewood. Okay. Yeah. This is how the museum should be. Pretty nice. है ना? I've never seen. See, this is what I.
शेख अब्दुल्ला के साथ.
हाँ, शेख अब्दुल्ला. ये चोर के साथ. He's one big चोर. This is also Sheikh Mohammed. ये शेख अब्दुल्ला का भाई था. Classic Victorious. Did you check the mattress? You could see that at that time they did not have soft mattresses. Man of the house. Man of the house is a very good name for a room. Yeah. I'll read it later in the video.
brother was in INA.
अच्छा ये वो करियप्पा है I mean वो थमैया I didn't know that. Will it open?
Kodava attire.
I shouldn't say.
Kodava attire.
हाँ
Kodava men's attire. ये देखो ना.
कहाँ गया? This is his dressing room. Imagine. उस टाइम पे एक मिडिल क्लास का घर ऐसा होगा. Imagine everything is the same. Nothing has changed. This is how a museum should be. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा देख. मैंने कभी नहीं ऐसा म्यूजियम देखा. This is really. क्या? चेक है ना. ये मैंने इतनी पास से कभी नहीं देखा था. But that I've seen. This I have not seen. See.
Gramophone.
Gramophone. It must be working also.
I've never seen it so close. I mean, how are you allowed to touch?
And you are allowed to touch. That's the thing. You are allowed to touch. That's the beautiful thing. This is what he has made. This is how you. Okay, यहाँ पे ये बैठ के चाय वाय पीता था. This is so fucking awesome.
What is grandpa?
This is something. This is the kind of place you should always visit. This is. I think we can go.
What you say?
I don't know. I mean, there are a lot. They should. They should close it, right? If it's not allowed.
There is nothing here. This is an attic.
This is an attic. And see, you can close it. See, imagine. It's not. See, you can close it.
और ये staircase पे शायद roll होता है.
See.
उन्होंने fix किया है.
See, this you can close it.
That I'm not saying this staircase also. This is new. This is not an old one. पुराना वाला ऐसा hanging हो. It would be what attached to this.
Correct.
जैसे western houses में होता है. These are watched in films, especially horror films.
This is such an European house. Oh man. I wonder why they can't make these kind of houses anymore in India. Clearly you can have these kind of houses. Okay, वहाँ देखते हैं. See, fireplace. Yeah, this is what book our post-American world. See, you can touch it. Tell me one museum where you can touch anything. Do they trust people that they will touch it in a respectable manner? I don't think so. I mean, North में अगर ऐसा रख दिया होता ना सारा तोड़ देते. मैं तो घर ले सकता हूँ ये. You can actually take it out. This is the rocket launcher. See. This is the rocket launcher. I can lift it. Yeah, I can lift it. How heavy is it? Damn. This is how I see that. I think this is the warhead, Lavanya, है ना? नहीं. I think there's just dummy रखा हुआ है. Come on. क्या warhead के साथ? रॉकेट लॉन्चर पे रॉकेट लगा के है. अरे इसकी बीवी का घर. Why would his wife have a separate room? Damn, man. This is luxury nowadays. This house is a luxury nowadays. Huh? Man, I'm just surprised to see the house. This is like luxury. जैसे उसकी बीवी का रूम. Which part is this? Okay, again चाय के लिए अलग. तैयार होके चाय पी रही है. And check out the view what she had. हरी सिंह का घर ऐसा था. लावण्य, isn't it surprising? हरी सिंह का घर ऐसा था. Dossier. This is fine, dude. You can touch the gun. You can lift it actually. You can lift it actually. This is strange. Never seen. Damn. वो इतना अच्छा लगा यार. This is which gun? Wow. You can't take this one at least. I got scared because of this message. Why is it red? Why is it red? Is it used? This is fine. Not a big deal. क्या था ये? Huh?
Venu, you can touch these documents.
This is not original, no?
These are original documents.
Scanned and printed.
Still, these are original.
हाँ स्कैन को हाँ ओरिजिनल स्कैन है. War diaries. Either war just scanned and उनको enlarge किया हुआ है so that you can read it. So there's a lot of things. They have a very good CCTV coverage here. Okay, this is closed. I think it's a government.
That's where Ram.
No, matlab, this is a government house, I guess. That's the reason he would give it, right? हाँ. लेकिन गवर्नमेंट घर ऐसे होते हैं. Government houses are like this. This is a palace.
This is a general.
Huh? This is a palace actually. Hari Palace is like this only, no? This is a fucking palace, yaar. Such a big thing. And did he do so much? I mean, not sure, but has he done that much? See, I'll show you. See this. This is guns room. Lavanya, come. यहाँ पे गन्स रखता था. I loved the interior. Can you keep? I don't think we can. We can have this kind of wallpaper now. It's luxury. It's luxury right now. Even only actors I think can afford. Why is it red? Some of the bullets are marked red. I think that's used or something. It's beautiful. Come. We are still not done. It's not even half of the house. देख रही है तो वो हरी पैलेस इतना बड़ा था. It's like what is that? Rocket launcher. Yeah. You're looking like Thamaya only. Yeah.
Sam Maya.
A reincarnation of Thamaya. You didn't like it, and I did not like it. When Kashmir was nearly lost, which year? 1946. अच्छा हाँ, ये है वो जो जिसने थमैया में इसने कुछ कश्मीर में किया था वो. At that time, I think he was in charge of that signing of क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, उसका. I think that's when he was talking to. That's why he was talking to Sheikh Abdullah and all. Reminded me of Umar Abdullah. I liked it. उठाया था? नहीं, क्यों नहीं? ये अपने पंडित जी के साथ. पंडित जी. The damn. It's a dining table. He has a dining table here. Come. I don't know. कुछ भी ये खाने से वीके कृष्णा मेनन ये है. मेनन ये है. मजातिया होगा कोई, उसमें कोई पता नहीं. That is मेनन. ये he was tall. ये देखा इसका पुराना हाल था, इन्होंने रिस्टोर किया. That's but anyways, if they have restored it, it looked. He had a theater also. Damn. This is how he used to eat. Fuck. Lavanya, once I'm done, we'll take some photos of you here. It's nice. Yeah.
It should be an example for all those people. जब भी शिवाजी का नाम आता है या किसी का नाम आ जाता है, लड़ाई करने के लिए आ जाता है, but you know उनका force और the heritage, they don't even bother to read.
That's what I'm saying.
Look. देखो पहले कैसा था. Look, do you see? It was neglected, but at least
they have restored it recently. अच्छा ऐसा था.
हाँ.
हाँ, they have restored it completely. अच्छा इसको फेंक दिए. फिर रिस्टोरेशन अभी रिसेंटली हुई है मोदी गवर्नमेंट के अंदर. मोदी गवर्नमेंट. मतलब जब हम लास्ट टाइम आए थे, एट दैट टाइम इट वाज नॉट. आई एम जस्ट अमेज्ड बाय सीइंग दिस. Foot soldier. Restored, but not to the way it used to be. I think they would have made it little more. No, they would have made it little more elaborative and I mean, क्या बोलते हैं, lavish.
सबमरीन है ना,
उसका वो मॉडल है.
सबमरीन का प्रोटोटाइप है.
हाँ हाँ मॉडल है सब. Now now see the theater. He had a theater here. Fuck. Very nicely restored. Fuck, but you can touch everything, imagine. Maybe they'll stop it afterwards. Come. I think we are done. Is there anything more here?